CAFMAR Environmental Services LLP, providing environmental solutions. We are a partnership firm owned by Mr. Cesar Fernandez and Mrs. Dizzy Fernandez. Started in 2016. The name CAFMAR is conceived from the names of their children, posterity of future generations, and is based in Benauli, Goa. Our principle is to make a positive and responsible contribution to nature and the society. Our vision is to provide a clean environment for future generations and to give life to water bodies in Goa. Our expertise and approach include check out the work we have done at Sernabatim Lake, Kolba, Goa, and Deccan Fine Chemicals, Korlim, Goa. These are the results of our work at Santines Creek in 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. Maimole Lake, Vasco, Goa. Murida Fatorda, Goa. Davorli, Goa. Kurmane Kazan, Shiroda, Goa. Savlem Lake, Pilain, Goa. This is the pre-monsoon work we have done towards cleaning of drains in Vasco constituency. We perform surface cleaning to clear the water bodies of fast-growing invasive weeds like Salvinia and water hyacinth, floating garbage, tree branches entering into the creek, and submergent and emergent plants. Here we are performing surface cleaning with our amphibious vehicle. What is the possible outcome? This will facilitate the unhindered flow of water, prevent blockages, water breaching the bank, and flooding. It increases water retention capacity and seepage into the groundwater. Why do we need to clean the water body beds? To clear the lake, river, or creek bed of accumulated silt, settled garbage, and contaminants. This will also deepen the water bodies, increasing its water holding capacity and preventing water breaching the banks and flooding. Here, we are performing excavation with our amphibious vehicles. The possible outcomes include unhindered flow of water, increased water retention capacity, and seepage into the groundwater. Restoration and stabilization of embankments. Possible outcomes include the prevention of collapse and soil erosion of the embankments, percolation of water that recharges aquifers and groundwater levels, habitat reclamation of fishes, clams, and crabs. CAFMAR's Social Responsibility Project at Villa Nova Creek, Kolva, Goa in 2017. Stage 1. The de-weeding and removal of silt mixed with garbage and excavation. Here is our machine with different attachments. Stage 2. The restoration and planting of embankments, the traditional way. Stage 2B. Bougainvillea plantations and installation of benches. Stage 3. Further developments and beautification. CAFMAR's Social Responsibility Project at River Methi, Mumbai in 2018 and 2019. Here we are during the cleaning, before and after pictures. Here we are seen with Advocate Afroz Shah. Advocate Afroz Shah is a prominent lawyer and social activist who pioneered the cleaning of Versova Beach, Mumbai in October 2015. He has received the UN's top environmental accolade in 2016, the Champions of the Earth Award. Here we are seen with media personnel from Thailand. Here is the reed bed system, a model project. Trench making at River Methi. CAFMAR's other social responsibility activities. Awareness program for students of Infant Jesus High School, Kolva, Goa. Cleanliness drive in Benauli by CAFMAR and Camilson Traders on Goa Liberation Day 2017. BNI KES Cleanliness Drive 2017. Cleanliness Drive in Benauli by CAFMAR and Camilson Traders on Goa Liberation Day 2018. Cleanliness Drive at Kolva Beach in association with Chogle College, May 2019. CAFMAR Environmental Services, in association with Chogle College of Arts and Science, Margao, led by Advocate Afroz Shah, organized a beach cleanliness drive at Kolva Beach in Goa on 28th of May 2019. Mr. Prathamesh Molinkar, a renowned Goan footballer and the first Asian to win the title Mr. Supernatural 2018, also joined the drive. Around 200 students, including locals, participated in the drive. Every last Sunday of each month, a cleanliness drive will be organized at Kolva Beach. Plantation of bougainvillea hedges at Kolva, 2017. In addition to providing holistic solutions, we motivate and encourage the business community and government bodies to care for nature and ensure its sustainability for future generations. We are involved in various activities with social responsibility and work hand in hand with naturists, environmentalists, and professionals. We also encourage the locals to voluntarily step out of their homes and make an effort to make their village beautiful. This creates a ripple effect. A selfless move by one local can positively influence his or her neighborhood to do a good deed towards nature. The positive outcome is sure to inspire our future generations. Every action and effort matters. Be the change to see the change. Our skilled team includes: here is our head office and registered office. Our belief of cleaning and restoration. Thank you for watching our presentation.